Hi everybody, as you remember, in the previous episode, we took a test drive of our limo. Now this car can be driven, but almost without brakes. It already brought us a lot of fun. Today, we're going to deal with its appearance. And then, we'll take a drive to surprise people. It's going to be fun today, I am sure. We are going to do this thing now. We're lifting the roof so it won't be bent in the middle. It looks quite good, at least from the inside. I hope our limo won't break apart and will look perfect. I think it turned out really awesome. It looks really smooth. I can't believe it. But everything fits perfectly. And even the doors open easily. It's too perfect. Perhaps we should have made it a little worse. Okay, we have a genius idea. We're not going to use any rulers or measuring sticks. We're just putting it there and outlining it. That's why everything fits. Guys, I can tell it looks quite good. Considering my pessimistic expectations, now I see that after puttying and painting the car, it's going to look quite good. It's time for the most hilarious part, our improvised window. Let me get a look at it from here. Well, what can I tell you? Meh. Well, the bottom part is straight. It's just the roof not so good. The roof is a bit of a problem. We did everything we could. We couldn't have done any better. Alright guys, we took a few days to take a break after last time. It's a new day and right off the bat, I see changes. Our window got crumpled a bit. There is some fading here. Now we're going to try to reanimate our baby. We'll go inside the garage and finish everything we need before painting. After that, we will do everything that we can to figure out how to make the roof look straight. I hope that by the end of the episode, everything will be done. Guys, there's a problem. We've lost the keys. Have you ever started a car without the keys, Igor? We need a pin. I think the red one is power. We need to seal in the two and scratch with one. We already started breaking the lock apart, picking the wires, and found the starter. But suddenly, we found the keys in the trunk. They were there the whole time. Right now, you're witnessing the first difficult maneuver on the limo. We have to make a turn on the service territory. was a super smooth maneuver. You were this close. You can now confidently say, I am a professional limo driver. I built it and I drove it. Right now, we're going to bleed the front brakes because the rear ones are blocked. We weren't able to fix them, so our only hope is for the front wheels. We took hydraulic fluid. We're going to pour it in there so that the front wheels will pull over the whole car. I feel like the gas pedal works much better now. It's the boldest limo in this city. The fact that the rear brakes don't even work is an advantage. There was a huge pressure put on the cardan joint. When I first saw that the wheel wasn't spinning, I thought we failed. But then I thought, no, because there's a good reducer in there. We definitely tested the cardan joint because the grip was good on this concrete floor. Is it enough for driving around town? We tested the brakes and cardan joint. We just have to paint it and we're done here. We've got a baffling task now. We have to deal with the whole electrical system. We have to make blinkers, background lights, parking lights, brake lights work. What else is there? License plate lights. We have to connect all these wires. But firstly, we have to figure out what goes where. Or if we connected wrong, the wrong lights are going to be turned on.